Hi. All right. What if you need to get your hands on a paper commentary? Because this assignment says you're supposed to do at least one paper commentary, and you don't own one. What are you going to do? Well, your local public library may be able to help you out. I can't promise you that, but this video is about finding a commentary in or through your local public library. So this is the website of my library, the Kent District Library. I've typed into the search box Gospel of John, and I hit the search button. Now the first thing I get is the Gospel of John video recording, Lionsgate Presents, etc. That doesn't sound like a commentary. But then the next one is John the Gospel of Wisdom by Michael Card, a Christian singer. I happen to know that he wrote a book about each of the Gospels. Now, in a sense, any book about the Gospel is a commentary, but if it isn't organized according to the biblical text, it's not really what we're looking for. So I want to know, is this book, which is available in my local library, is it a commentary that will help me? Well, I click on it and I get a picture and some general information. Oh, here's locations. But here's a summary, and I can read this summary, and I'm going to tell you before I started making the video, I read this summary, and it left me unsure, but then I did the table of contents. And look at that, John 1, 1 through 5 on page 30, 1, 6 through 9, page 33. This is a commentary. It's arranged like a commentary. Now, Michael Card is interesting because he has a master's degree in biblical studies, but he's known as a musician, as a songwriter and a singer. I haven't read this book. I don't know how scholarly it is, but for this assignment, you just needed a commentary to work on. If this was your local public library, there's one you could drive down and get. And it can also give you the Google preview, which we're going to talk about in a different video. Well, it says it can. It's not showing me anything, but we'll talk about that in another video. So there is a commentary right in my local public library. Now I'm going to go back to my search results. And let's say I didn't find anything in here. Well, in my library, this is the button I want right here. It says Search MELCAT, which is Michigan Educational Library Catalog, statewide catalog. When I click that, now I get all sorts of things because this gets me into the libraries of other Christian colleges, of seminaries, public libraries, all sorts of libraries. So here's the Gospel of John, a commentary by Rudolf Bultmann. This would not be an easy commentary for you to use, but it's a commentary. He's a relatively famous scholar of a generation gone by, who would not be simple or easy to read. But I'm scrolling down here, and the Gospel of John, a commentary by Craig S. Keener, would be a good one. Now with these, I have to click Get This from MELCAT, and they will send it to my library. That will take a few days when you're doing these 6-week courses where you've got to do everything inside a week. That may be hard to do, but as you're ministering for Christ, or as you're moving on in this program, you may be able to get books from your local public library by using whatever kind of interlibrary loan program they have. Here in Michigan, we have the Michigan E-Library. Now, my original search was Gospel of John. You may want to search with the term commentary in your search. That might help. I'm going to do Bible commentary. And when I do Bible commentary, well, the first one that comes up is the Moody Bible commentary, which I have sitting right here. And if you watch the What is a Commentary video, I pointed it out. But I could go check it out of my library too. And Nelson's Illustrated Bible Commentary, NIV Study Commentary. These, actually all three of those would be good one-volume commentaries, and those could be 3 of your sources right there if you lived where my public library is. Now, a word about that. I live in the Grand Rapids, Michigan area. I don't know if you've ever been to Grand Rapids. We are the most churched area north of the Mason-Dixon line, I think. You know, the south of the U.S. is known for church on every corner. West Michigan has a church on every corner. So our library is going to be kind of Bible heavy. But yeah, you can find uh, a Bible commentary in your local library. One more tip, and I'm going on faith here because I didn't look in advance at this. All right. When you're searching, this goes for anything you're searching for in a library. When you find one that's exactly what you want, so let's say I had done Bible commentary, Moody commentary, that's what I want, I need that, I'm going to go to the library and get it. Don't stop there. Go down here. Notice that title, subject, Bible commentaries, subject term, spirituality. And you notice those are clickable. When I click this, I get other books in that same category. And now, some of these don't appear to be commentaries. Maybe some of them are. Looks to me like the person who classified them at the library doesn't really know what a commentary is. But despite the failure of my attempt to show you here, this works well. To click the subjects once you've found a book, or this works in the databases for the journal articles, click the subject and you'll get more like it. All right, I hope that helps.